A very good morning to you, class 3 students. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. Children, I welcome you again to the virtual class of social studies. As you all know that in our previous class, we discussed about the chapter number 9. And in this chapter, children, we discussed all our national symbols. Today, children, we will do the classwork of the same chapter. So let's start the classwork of this chapter. Children, you have to do this work in your social studies notebook. Okay. So our first topic is match these. First is national flag. Number 2, Bengal tiger, Royal Bengal tiger. Third is 4 lions. Fourth, 24 spokes. Fifth is saffron. Sixth, national emblem. Seventh, national bird. And eighth, Jangan Man. Okay, children. Now, first, national flag. It match with rectangular in shape. Yes, children, our national flag is rectangular in shape. Number 2, Royal Bengal tiger. It is our national animal. So, we will write 2 in front of national animal. Number 3, 4 lions. Yes, children, as we all know that we can see 4 lions in our national emblem. So, we will match with number 3 with national emblem. So, we have to write 3 in front of national emblem. In our national emblem, there are 4 lions, but at a single time, we can see only 3 lions. One is not visible to us, but in actual, there are 4 lions in our national emblem. Okay, children. Now, number 4, 24 spokes. Navy blue wheel. Yes, children. 24 spokes are there in navy blue wheel, and it represents 24 hours in a day. Number 5, saffron. Saffron matched with courage and strength. Yes, children, saffron band is at the top of our national flag. So, and it represents courage and the strength of the people of the country, especially of the soldiers of our country. Number 6, national emblem. Now, children, national emblem match with on currency notes and coins. Yes, children, as we can see the national emblem on our currency notes and coins. Number 7, national bird. Our national bird is peacock. Number 8, Jan Gan Man. Jan Gan Man is our national anthem. Okay, children, and it is written by a Bengali poet, and his name is Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. So, children, let us do once again. First is national flag. National flag matched with rectangular in shape. Bengal tiger, Royal Bengal tiger matched with national animal. 4 lions. 4 lions match with national emblem. Fourth is 24 spokes, and it is in navy blue wheel. Fifth is saffron. Saffron band stand for courage and strength of the people. Sixth is national emblem. National emblem we can see on currency notes and coins. Seventh is national bird. Yes, children, peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Eighth is Jan Gan Man. Jan Gan Man is our national anthem, and it is written by a Bengali poet, and his name is Rabindranath Tagore. Now, children, take the correct answer. These take the correct answers, children, from your book, and you have to do this only in your book. Okay. First is the colors in our national flag are saffron, white, and green. It is thick. Right answer. Number 2, Satyamev Jayate is written on the national flag. No, it is written at the bottom of national emblem or below the national emblem. So it is cross. Number 3, the national emblem is found on currency notes. Yes, children, this is correct. Tick. Fourth, Jan Gan Man is our national anthem. This is right. Number 5, the lotus represents beauty and grace. It is cross. The peacock represents beauty and grace. This is book work, and you have to do this book work only in your book. Other work you have to do in your social studies note. Now, children, our next topic is our true or false. Okay, so let's start. First is our national flag is circular in shape. No, it is false. Our national flag is rectangular in shape. Number 2, the Ashoka Chakra in our national flag is in navy blue in color. It is true. Number 3, green band in our national flag stands for truth and peace. It is false. It stands for prosperity. Number 4, the saffron band should always be on the top in our national flag. Yes, children, it is true. Number 5, there are 5 tigers in our national emblem. It is false. There are 4 lions in our national animal, not tigers. Number 6, Jan Gan Man is our national anthem. Yes, children, it is true. And it is written by a Bengali poet, Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Number 7, the word Satyamev Jayate is written on the national flag. No, false. It is written below the national emblem. 8th is our national anthem Jan Gan Man was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, children, it is true, and he is a Bengali poet. He wrote our national anthem. Number 9, the Royal Bengal tiger is our national bird. False. Our national bird is peacock. Number 10, our national symbols represents the culture and values of our country. It is true. Okay, children. So you have to do all these true false and match this in your social studies notebook and pick the correct answer in your book. Okay, children. So let us recall once again true false. First is our national flag is circular in shape. False. Number 2, the Ashoka Chakra in our national flag is navy blue in color. It's true. Number 3, green band in our national flag stands for truth and peace. False. Fourth, the saffron band should always be on the top in our national flag. True. Number 5, there are 5 tigers in our national emblem. False. Sixth is Jan Gan Man is our national anthem. True. 7, the word Satyamev Jayate is written on the national flag. False. 8, our national anthem Jan Gan Man was written by Rabindranath Tagore. True. The Royal Bengal tiger is our national bird. False. Our national symbols represents the culture and values of our country. True. Okay, children. So that is all about today's class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.